To design our new InstaFlash, we started with the worst case scenario. What roof conditions are most likely to cause a leak? Initially, we thought the most vulnerable spot is where shingle tabs overlap and create an uneven surface. In fact, many of our competitors designed flashless products for just this scenario, with varying degrees of success. Butyl tape, mastic, EPDM foam, and EPDM rubber can seal the flat part of a shingle. But when a fastener is installed at the change in shingle tab height, that butyl tape or EPDM often doesn't actually conform to the inside corner of the tab, leaving a vulnerability for water penetration to the fastener. While competitors focused on sealing at the shingle overlaps, and many failed, this isn't even the worst case scenario. They missed the mark altogether on what to solve for. The worst case scenario for creating a watertight seal is actually at the joint between two sheets of shingles, also known as the butt joint. The sheets form a slot canyon, a tight passageway that's too narrow for a butyl, foam, or EPDM to fill, and water flows right through. When this joint aligns with a rafter and a fastener goes into the slot canyon, water is channeled directly to the fastener and into the roof surface. The alignment of a rafter to a slot canyon occurs surprisingly often. Even in small arrays, slot canyons land over rafters dozens of times. These slot canyons or butt joints can be hard to spot, especially when your crew is moving fast on a hot day. If you're using a product that has a rigid waterproof seal, you won't be able to protect against the worst case scenario. Water will flow into the slot canyon, right underneath the butyl tape, and directly into the fastener. You're set up for a leak, an upset homeowner, and a costly repair. With InstaFlash, we designed a solution to overcome the true worst case scenario and every other challenge. InstaFlash features a pre-installed non-hardening sealant. The semi-liquid sealant easily fills shingle irregularities, missed pilot holes, and slot canyons, automatically preventing water from reaching the fastener. Because the sealant is non-hardening, InstaFlash can be installed in any weather condition. Hot, cold, rainy, even icy conditions. InstaFlash immediately seals the roof against water intrusion. Another advantage of the non-hardening sealant, you can reset the InstaFlash. Missed a rafter with a spinner? No problem, just move it. The sealant remains pliable for life, always accommodating natural expansion and contraction to maintain a watertight seal. To make InstaFlash a pleasure to use, we designed a protective cage that keeps your hands clean while directing the sealant exactly where it needs to go. The result? A flashless mount that's watertight, super easy to install, and leaves no mess. Because we designed for the worst case scenario, InstaFlash lets you install with supreme confidence in any condition, every time. That's a better day on the job.